Hi, and welcome to Projects 360. This video is going to be how to create a create a project from a proposal. So we are inside the proposal here, and the proposal has been approved. So what we're going to want to do is go up to the cog in the right-hand corner and go down to Create Proposal or Project. It'll then pull all the information over into the project management side of the software. If you do need to edit any of this, you can do so by just clicking on it and making any edits that are necessary. If not, you can just go and select your project manager who's going to be in charge of that project. And then if you click on the More button, you can see additional information about the project and the client. You can then select one of your statuses. And again, these statuses can be custom named by you in the settings. It could be, you can name them whatever you want. Like, is it something that's happening this week? Is it something that's going on next week? Is it delayed? And these are filtering features that you can do on the projects page. So you can select one of those. And again, it's not required. You can also set up different categories. And again, this is another filtering feature. So a category can be anything. It could be builders you work with, developments you're working on, businesses you do business with, however you want to filter things. So you could select one of those. Then you'll hit the checkbox here to continue. And then you can select a project color if you like using color codes and everything. You can do so there. Also, you can select one of your templates you set up under the Projects tab in the menu, where what a template is, you can pre-set up, trades that you want to assign to a project, checklists, custom forms, and pre-populated forms. But I'm not going to select a checklist for this demo. I'm going to walk you through how to do all that. Over in this next section is the time tracking. So if there's a proposal involved, you're going to not want to select any of these. This is more for if you're just creating a service project without a proposal, and you can select the different phases and put in budgets if necessary. If there is a proposal involved, you're going to want to check this box right here, which says I do not want to track time against this project right now. So it will still track time. You're going to see that in the next step, that it's actually going to pull the labor phases and labor hours from the proposal over instead. So so you can actually track time against it. Here you can select your different trades that are associated with this project. Then you can select your checklists from your custom checklists. So any checklist that you want associated with this project, you can select right here. And then same thing with custom forms. You can add your custom forms that you want. And then also here your pre-populated forms if you want to use one of the pre-populated forms that came with the software. And then when you're done selecting all those, just simply go up and hit the X to close out. It'll then prompt and pull over the proposal. So now you can see your proposal by location, and you can even filter it by phase if you'd like. And you can select everything you want to push over, where in this case, I'm just going to hit select all because I want to push everything over. So everything's good. Then I'm going to hit the next button. It's then going to prompt you about the labor. Do you want to push the labor over also? Yes, I do, because I want to track time against it. So it's showing you right here on a pie chart how much final labor and trim labors in this proposal that's going to be pushed over. If this was like a older project and you wanted to remove all the previous proposals and labor from the previous proposals, you could do so here. But in this case, this is a brand new project, so I don't want to do that. So I'm going to hit save. And now it pushed everything over and created that project. It over here under the proposals right here, you can see the proposal that got pushed over by location, but without pricing. So the technicians can see what the scope is, but don't have access to the pricing of everything. And it also pushed those labor phases and hours that were in the proposal over into the time tracking module, so you can actually track time against them. And that is the process to creating a project from a proposal. Thank you and have a great day.